Hey guys, Dr. Dex here. Today we are taking a shop day and we're doing a little bit of maintenance on our job site trailer. So what we're doing is we're installing a new product made by Diamondback tool belts called a Go panel. I'm kind of excited because it has all of these different areas and spaces and shelving and places you can rack stuff on. So if you like this video today, don't forget to click that subscribe button. We're rapidly approaching 100,000 followers and we're gonna do a huge giveaway when we hit 100K. So hit that subscribe button and make sure that you follow along to see more details on our 100K giveaway. I just made that up, so don't forget. Basically, what the Go panel is this. And this gets mounted to the inside wall of our trailer. And then there's all these accessories over here that get mounted to that as well. And all these accessories will hold things. Mostly what we do is we use it for our nail guns and that kind of thing. So there's two main brackets that mount to the Go panel. And they're universal, they're flexible, so you can mount them this way, or you can mount them top and bottom, but I think we're gonna mount them side to side because we're gonna have a lot of weight on this thing, and we think that with all the nail guns we have, we might need that extra support. Then there's also a couple things called a spine, which is just a cross-cut section of the Go panel for like running all these extra bags. They sent us a bunch of different size pouches and bags that they have a clip system on the back. And that clip system, here's a spine. You can see it has a standoff on it. And these are like made for mounting to a wall or to a shelf or something like that. And we do have a shelf in the trailer that we may mount these to. And then these clip on like so. And then you can fill them full of whatever you gotta fill them full of. And you can do multiple, you could do 4 or 5 different bags on this one little spine. So we'll kind of get that figured out. We'll decide how we want to run all that stuff. We got all these bags, all these shelves. First thing we're doing is just getting all the crap out of the trailer so that we can mount this up, and then we'll see if we can kind of clean things up and get some of our nail guns off the wall the way they are and see if we can get them reorganized onto this product. All right, so basically we had this old system of just this Rubbermaid hook and these hooks, and we just would hang all of our nail guns on here, and every time I drive somewhere, things would fall down. So what we're gonna do is mount this panel up here, and then we'll have a little bit more secure way of using this wall. Plus, we'll be able to put some of this loose stuff on the wall as well. And so it's not just falling over. Like I've got $100 worth of Pica pencil leads and stuff sitting here in a cardboard box. So just trying to get a little more organized, and we thought we'd show you guys how it goes. We're gonna get this spot cleared, we'll get the panel up, and then we'll organize it. I'm gonna leave it up here for now, and then if we have to take it down, we'll take it down or whatever, we'll just get there. But I think we're gonna mount this over here. Say what? So that'll go right there. No, there's nothing there. Nothing. All right, so I talked to Damani at Diamondback this morning, and I told him what we were doing, and he said, hey, before you mount the plate or to the wall, the Go panel, to make sure you put all your accessories on beforehand, because you got to bolt through the metal. So that's what we're going to do right now, is actually bolt up some of these things, these bins and parts and whatnot, then we'll mount it to the wall. I just broke a nut driver. How often does that happen? We've installed the Go panel, but as you can see, it's kind of wobbly. So we're going to add some more reinforcements, and what I did was I just cut some 1-inch PVC blocks, and I'm just gonna put them back because the wall of this trailer has 3/8" plywood, but I don't know where any of the metal struts are on the inside of this wall. Where I thought they were, they weren't. So I'm just gonna go ahead and mount a few extra, like 6 extra locations, because we plan on loading this up with a lot of weight. But you can see if you start loading drills on here, it just moves around. So we're just gonna make it a little more solid to our liking, okay? Because we're actually probably gonna be hanging nail guns up here and putting fasteners and nails in here. So it's gonna hold up a lot of weight. So we're just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna drop some spacers in where I think that might be a good location. And then I'm gonna use some 1.5" fasteners that will go through the panel, through the spacer, and into the wall. And I'm just gonna pre-drill them. Like so. That's gonna lock it down. All right, so there you are. We have our Go panel mounted. It is very stable now. I don't have to worry about driving this trailer. The security of this being on a wall, I think it'll be just fine. It's also on a curved back wall, which is nice because this panel actually flexes for it. Got all of our sacks over here. They're satchels. They are removable and they do have drawstrings, so you can actually lock them in tight. It's cool. You can put fasteners, bits, whatever, just miscellaneous stuff, and we've got constantly all of it. I can use this section up here for drills. But most likely we're gonna probably hang some framing guns and things like that up here. Just depends on how it fits, but we'll get that figured out in a little bit. There you go. I'll give you a report back. If you guys have any questions, leave them below. Don't forget to leave a comment as well. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Have a great day.